What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And as usual, we have another RWb in our channel, and this is also another special edition which was released a few months ago. And I hope you guys remember that I did an announcement on this specific model, and this was actually the Thailand special edition release. And this was actually another special edition which was released in a limited number, and most of it was sold out in the Thailand diecast invention. So most people were staying in line in order to grab this, and few were only released to the local sellers. So I was able to grab this through one of my local sellers, and there you guys have it, the Thailand special edition RWb 964. So with the number 10, and let's look into it and see how it looks like. So this is another black series which is coming out, and I know that there have been few black series that were released, especially the Stella, Bobone and some other releases that came out, but this is so far my best and most favorite RWb that came out in black. And talking about those wheels, Tarmac has done an amazing job with some custom wheels, and that looks amazing. And talking about the livery, with the usual white body kit from Akira Nakai and the white wing, this looks an amazing RWb, and it's gonna be one of my favorite RWbs which was released so far. So as usual, Tarmac has done a pretty good job, and hope to see way more amazing models in the future as well. So as usual, you guys have the Tarmac limited edition certificate in the 3 colorway, as you can see in the casting as well. So they usually, when they're doing their packagings, they always match their packaging and whatever that comes with the package in order to match with the casting of the model. So there you have it, the certificate, and you guys can see it has been engraved with limited edition on it. And talking about this, you guys can see including the acrylic box as usual, and this has a very gloss paint on it, and being honest, this paint job seems really nice, and I'm actually loving it. And as you guys can see, the stage with the special edition and all the details about the car, and you can actually see yourself through the stage and through the car. So there you have it, guys, the Tarmac Works 164 scale RWb 964, the Thailand special edition. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, and hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.